Hey there, coffee lovers! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to compare two popular espresso machines side by side. We'll give you an in-depth review of each one, so you can make an informed decision when choosing the perfect machine for your morning brew. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing coffee-related content. Are you tired of weak coffee? The Mixpresso Pro Nespresso machine features a very high Italian-made 19-bar pressure pump, providing barista-style coffee every time. On the other hand, the JASSY espresso machine is equipped with a professional 20-bar pressure pump and 1450W powerful motor, which ensure rich-tasting extraction from coffee beans. With the Mixpresso Espresso Machine, you can use their brand espresso pods or original line Nespresso capsules. Meanwhile, the JASSY espresso machine doesn't specify capsule compatibility. The Mixpresso Espresso Machine is 100% hassle-free cleanup with removable capsule container, drip tray, and water tank. The JASSY espresso machine doesn't mention additional features to make cleanup easier. Forgot to turn off your espresso maker? Both machines have automatic energy-saving functions. The Mixpresso Espresso Machine will turn off after 9 minutes of inactivity, which can be extended up to 30 minutes. The JASSY Espresso Machine doesn't specify the duration of automatic shut-off. The Mixpresso Espresso Machine doesn't have a listed price. Meanwhile, the JASSY Espresso Machine is priced at $159 USD. And there you have it, folks. That's our comparison between the Mixpresso Espresso Machine and the JASSY Espresso Machine. Which one do you think is better? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Happy brewing!